save me, what would be the reason of my life? Now I know that you survey me each day, each night. I need to thank you for all you do. My soul will worship you until the end. My only wish is to be with you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. You are exalted and placed on the highest place. Your throne is above everything. Oh Lord, your majesty is so high. Oh, I want to worship at your feet.